Today I think we're gonna go first to the museum, the Modern Art Museum. Apparently it's pretty good. And then after that, there's a park that is very popular. Apparently there's people slacklining and just hanging out. So I think we're just gonna go visit and see what's up. How do people hang out on a Sunday here in Medellin? Yeah, that's the museum. There's a bunch of like scouts around with sticks. I don't know what's going on here. There's some interesting pieces in that museum, but so far the best thing is the air conditioning. It's so hot outside today, it's crazy. Found a really cozy place to chill. It's like this circle-y thing. Hombre animal de aniquilación. It's another beautiful day in Medellin, Colombia. Today there's two things I want to do that's on my list. First of all, visit the Plaza Botero. It's just basically a square with a lot of Botero sculptures. He's one of the most renowned Colombian artists. We've been at his museum in Bogota. He paints those like fat people, and I guess he has some fat sculptures. And after that, we're gonna go to the Botanical Gardens. From all I've heard, it just has like this amazing diversity. I usually don't really go to botanical gardens when I travel, but apparently here in Colombia it's something special. The nature here is amazing and the botanical gardens are super diverse. So we'll see about that. We're at the bus stop because we have to take the bus to get to the metro station. And the situation here is just very confusing because we waited like 40 minutes in line to get this Civica card. It's supposed to work for buses and for the metro. But the issue is not all buses have the card reader, and there's just no way of knowing if the bus has the reader or not. And yeah, if it doesn't, you just pay cash. But it's just like a pain to not be able to kind of plan. There's like, it feels like there's like 4 bus companies, they're all different. I think that's their bus. No, that's not. That's not? Okay. That's our bus. Here we are at the Plaza Botero. There's a lot of those statues basically everywhere here. And then there's this beautiful cathedral or something. It's like one of the first places in Medellin that it feels kind of like metropolitan and central. There's like a lot of people and shops. All the other places we've been to, it kind of just felt like had like a small town vibe. And now this finally feels like we're in the city. Massive rain out of nowhere. We're stuck under a roof. We're planning to go to the Botanical Gardens, but you know, since it's mostly outside, I don't know about that. Maybe the rain will pass. Like the whole floor is like a river now. It's insane. And it just happened like this, out of nowhere. Instead, we ended up, you know, that big building next to the Plaza Botero that looked like a cathedral. I think it's actually the, how you call it, culture center? There's a bunch of art here. I don't know, we'll visit. They made me register my camera at the entrance. It's kind of strange. I've never seen that before.
El río llora, tu desaparición.
If I'm being super honest, the art here is not the best. Kind of looks amateurish, but the building, like all those arches and stuff, that's really pretty.
Arrastrando a un montón. Hombre animal de aniquilación.
You get a really pretty view from here too. Look at that. I think it's worth coming here just for the view. Right here, that's the metro system. It's super busy there outside. Wow! We climbed to the top and we found this like big terrace. It's empty and it's like panoramic view of the city. It's really cool. And that's the dome right here. This we couldn't access. The door was locked. Maybe you need some kind of special permission. But hey, we can see it up close. And down there, just the Plaza Botero and the metro and everything. Like,